Rather breezy Monday, and that breeze is going to usher in some drops in temperatures as we get into the middle part of the week. And along it, well, that comes with some snow. Thanks to the way this whole system's panning out, most of that snow stays in the mountains the next couple of days. Bummer, because I really want it here in town, but instead we're starting to clear out rather quickly. Look, you can see some clearing sky back behind it, and look what happens here. You're starting to get some of those clouds, and these clouds right here tell me as a meteorologist that wind is blowing pretty strong up high. So now it's just about translating that wind down to the surface, which is going to happen. Currently, wind sits out of the southwest at 21 miles per hour, gusting even higher, and as we move through the day, I would not be surprised if it gusted even stronger, or got even stronger. Gusted? I don't think gusted's a word. I just feel weird now. 28 in Spokane, 30 in Coeur d'Alene this morning, 30 in Sandpoint, 32 in Moses Lake, but look at Grand Coulee at 19. That wind is going to usher in those cooler temperatures. So we go from near 35 today for our high temperature to down in the low 20s by Wednesday. And get this, we're now in the time of year where just about every 7 days we gain 2 degrees. Now, sure, our average high today is 36, and our average high by next Monday is, well, by next Sunday is 37. By next Monday it's 38. So every week it's about 2 degrees in terms of our average high temperature. That's as we gain all of that daylight we talked about before the break. So we're ushering in colder air from the north. It's basically saying, you like your daylight, you like your warmer temperatures? Nope, not happening. And so we pull in this cold air, and that cold air, as it moves in, is helping to squeeze out some of the moisture in higher elevations. For now, we have wind advisories down to the south where a bulk of this wind is expected to be, basically the Lewis and Clark Valley. Today it's wind gusts 35 to 40 miles per hour here around Spokane and down in the Palouse. Tomorrow it calms down, but look, it's predominantly northerly, and that's just pulling in some Canadian air and cooling us down. For now, it's the passage of the front, and what we're getting is a little bit of snow here in the inland northwest. In fact, we have winter weather advisories for basically 4th of July Pass to Lookout Pass and then down to the south along Highway 12. We're seeing some of the snow over the Cascades, some of the snow continuing here in North Idaho. You're traveling 95 between Coeur d'Alene and Sandpoint. You're in on some of that snow right now and likely going to be a little bit longer here. We'll see another push of moisture later this afternoon. I think that's our best shot to see some showers here in Spokane. I think it's kind of a wintry, mixy, groppily activity as we move through the day with our temperatures hovering in the mid-30s. So we do get above freezing today, but just know temperatures start to drop in the days to come. In fact, our overnight lows fall back into the teens by Wednesday morning, even colder Thursday morning, and then it's a slow, steady climb back out. So isolated snow this afternoon, a couple of flurries possible tomorrow. Wednesday we're cold, and then slow warm up as we get into the weekend.